Hello, Norman again. I'm playing a little bit of Resident Evil 4 on the PlayStation 2. As you can see, I got pretty far. I got the Thompson there, and Leon's holding it right now, being all cool and spiffy with his Special 2 outfit. All kinds of ammo, in case I feel like trying the other weapons that might not have tried yet. And I don't know if you know this, but you can make him do this really nifty little stance. I'll show you now. As you can see, I got the Thompson, or the Chicago Typewriter they call it in this game. He's holding it right now. Just reload. That's what happens when you reload. Fixes his cap and he goes, Booyah! Now it takes 4 times to do that. He just does that 3 times, and then once more he does that really cool thing. I'll show you again just for giggles. He is so sexy when he does that. One more time for the road. Okay. And here it is. I love it. Okay, there you be. It's pretty cool, ain't it? Take it easy.